What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be talking about finances, right? I'm going to be talking about getting control of your meal prep business's finances. So basically what I'm going to be showing you guys is a Google Sheet, right, through a screen share right here. So this screen share right here is going to talk about profit and loss. What is profit and what is loss? Well, here's what it is. It's basically a snapshot of your business at a glance, right? Where am I, right? Where am I financially? So in order to find out where you are financially, you have to track everything, obviously. So I created a financial statement template right here. I'm going to be selling it to you guys. So here's just a preview of what it looks like. You could download it if you pay the price. Right now I have the price below. Just go ahead and click the link if I do have a link in there, but here it is. Okay, so on the left side of the screen, as you can see, this is the presentation of the first page. It has instructions on there, where to go, what to do, right? So basically I'm going to be holding your hand right here, how to work this spreadsheet, right? This spreadsheet, okay, basically if you read the instructions you'll find out. But okay, here we go. So on the second tab right here, we're going to be presented with a dashboard, right? But you can only see this dashboard when you plug into stuff called the transactions tab, right? So I'm actually going to delete all of these right now. You can actually use these in your own finances too, so personal. So it's not just business, right? But actually, let me go into the tabs. So profit and loss. This tab right here is going to be your profit and loss. This is your year, right? Your income, your revenue, your sales, custom sales. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this. What is cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold is your grocery bill. So basically what you spend at the store, that is your cost of your good, right? Because you're selling food, right? Advertising costs, right? There's office supplies, cars and trucks. You spend money on insurance. There's a rent and car equipment, repairs, and it goes all the way down, guys. And if you don't know an expense, you could custom expense it, right? Okay, so let me bring you to the next tab, okay? So we're going to go into the balance sheet. What is a balance sheet, right? Balance sheet is basically where your business is at, based on the amount of assets that it has to its owner's equity. So liabilities and owner's equity. And right here they have all of them there. Okay, so you would enter all of those manually. The one that is not that blue, see that's white. And then categories, right? So this categories tab you don't have to mess with. This is basically just a place where the transactions tab, where everything is going to be pulling from. So do not touch the category section. I'm gonna make it repeatable. Do not touch this category section, okay? Do touch this transactions section, okay? So I just explained all of the tabs below. All right, so you have instructions, you have dashboard. Dashboard is basically your snapshot. Transactions, where you enter in everything manually. This is the only place you touch anything in the document or add, delete, whatever you may have, okay? So I'm going to show you guys, okay? And then profit and loss, this basically gives you your snapshot of where you're at. And yeah, so here we go, okay? We're going to go into the transactions tab, right? In this category drop down section, you're going to be presented with advertising, office supplies, like I said, right? So these are all the transaction categories, right? All right, so this one you can touch, okay? You could touch this. Okay, so say I have advertising, right? And the date, right? So you're gonna write the date today is March 7 and 2019, right? So you're gonna press enter right here, okay? This is important right here. You have to write a description, what you're buying for advertising. So Facebook ads, set 1, right? You press enter, okay? And then you're gonna go into this prompt thing right here, the amount. So the amount is going to be around, say I spent 20 bucks on Facebook ads, right? Notice how I'm putting a negative, okay? negative 20. Enter. Okay, negative 20. And then say the next day I had cost of goods sold. So you could literally you could press C, see my hands? O, G, see it auto populates, right? Cost of goods sold. Or you could actually put cost, yeah, there you go. So see it auto populates. You don't have to really search for it, you just type it in, right? Say the next expense that you had on your sheets, right? Say I had to go and make a payment for insurance, right? They look at my tabs, I'm like, oh, I have insurance payment. Okay, cool. We're gonna press insurance, and we're gonna type the date that we got it on. So say we got it on, uh, the, say we got it on the 1st of the month, right? Oh man, yeah. See, look at that. Okay, and say like cost of goods sold, I went out to go buy groceries on the 5th, right? So the 5th and 2019. Okay. So cost of goods sold, what was this? Grocery bill, okay? And then say I spent minus $100, right? Oops, 100. Enter. And then say insurance cost 42 bucks. Minus, see? And then say we got sales, right? We got sales, and that happened on March 7, okay? March 7. Insurance was Liberty Mutual, okay? And then sales was food sales. So I'll type in food sales, and then let me make this a little bigger so you guys can see. Okay. So say the food sales was maybe I made $1,000 on food sales. Okay. Notice how I don't put a negative here. Okay. Let me highlight that. See, no negative, right? You are making money here, okay? This is your profit, okay? So let me unhighlight that. If you guys don't know how to highlight, press this button right here, okay? Okay, so I have my advertising, cost of goods sold, insurance, sales. Cool, everything's done. Now I'm gonna be looking at my dashboard. So this is the next button you press after you enter everything in, right? So you could look at this in real time too. So if you're at the grocery store or if you're somewhere else, this is called the cloud. This is called 2019, guys. It's super cool. Okay, dashboard. Okay, now look at my dashboard. All right, as you populate this, you can find your sales year to date, right? And you can find your profit, right? Minus your expenses. Now it'll actually auto categorize this shit. So cool. It'll categorize your insurance, your advertising, your office supplies, how much you're spending month to month. So if you go in profit and loss dashboard, bam, everything's auto-populated. So you don't have to really do the work. You show this to an accountant, you have your own bookkeeping, right? Balance sheet, you can't really do that because that's manual. And also, okay, so let me give you more data. So as you write more data, you're going to get a lot more information about your business, about where it stands and all that. Okay, so say it is April 5, 2019. Let me actually put it more into the future so you guys can see the effects of this thing, man. So say October 4, 2019. Say we had sales here, food sales. Okay. So maybe I had 1,500 this month, maybe I had 1,300 this month. And then say, what are these expenses categories? Say the car was under our business, right? And we had to pay that on March 1st. Car payment, right? So car payment was minus 300 bucks. Say we had one more expense. Say we had to pay the tax guy. Who hates to pay the tax guy, right? Maybe it was the 31st. Oh, see, I just typed in 3/31 and auto populates. This thing's so easy, guys. So taxes, and then put minus. Probably the tax guy costs 100. Okay, so now look at our dashboard. Boom, boom, baby, auto populated. Finances on steroids. Okay, look at this shit. It gives you a chart. Okay, it gives you a whole snapshot where you're at. Look how much sales I am. Look at where my sales are, right? Look at my profit and my loss, right? Then you look on your profit and loss tab. it'll actually give you a tab where everything is categorized, right? So look, in the month of March, I spent, or my income was $1,000, right? So you go back in your transaction tab. Oh, where do I find it? No, fool. You look on your profit and loss because it's already auto-populated there. All you have to do is enter these transactions, and you will have a whole snapshot, a pie chart, a graph chart, and a categorized place for everything. You don't have to go and fetch for it, and you can take control of your business and stop letting the business control you. Okay? So in a sense, that's what this whole profit and loss financial Google sheet that I sell right here. I'm gonna put it below. I'm either gonna do a Venmo payment or I'm gonna have um, a link, but most likely it's gonna be a Venmo payment. Just send me the money and I'll send this link to you. But basically, if you want to take control of your business, guys, if you want to be the master at your craft, you must have control. You must have a snapshot picture of where you're at financially, operationally, everything. You could even use this for your own life, guys. Like, this is not even just business. You could use this in your finances at home. You could put your mortgage payment, you could put your car payments, right? You could put your payroll from AEDP, wherever you get it from, right? So I'm not just talking about business, I'm talking about life, and I'm talking about real stuff, okay? So guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you guys who have been supporting the channel. We are at 800 subscribers, and we've hit that 1K, baby. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions about the template, go comment below, please. If you have any questions at all, I don't bite. I answer to everyone, okay? And if you have more questions, follow me at Murillo_FIT, okay? At Murillo_FIT. I also sell meal plans and stuff for people, and I also train people on how to make money. So if you guys are interested on that too, go ahead and shoot me a comment or shoot me in the DMs on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace. And let me figure out how to stop this recording. Sheesh.